Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a real treat. This one is a new offering by the Amore collection. Anyhow, this is the beautiful Juliette wig in one of my favorite brunettes, the medium brunette Flux, which is very lovely because, as you can see, it gradually gets lighter towards the bottom. I wouldn't consider this necessarily an ombre because it's kind of subtle, but look at that. And it looks so natural, like a little bit of natural sun bleaching. It's just super pretty. So Juliette is part of their brand new Melange collection, which, just like the Envy hair products from Envy, it is a 70% heat-friendly synthetic, 30% human hair blend. This wig is 100% hand-tied, has a luscious double monofilament top that is quite smooth and very silky and very comfortable on. And I would say that while some average cap wigs come in a 22-inch circumference, this one feels like a 22.5 inch circumference, so it did accommodate me pretty well when I adjusted the back a little bit. I think that the fiber quality, and by the way, I have not brushed or combed this. I will comb it on camera. I wanted to show you how these curls look right out of the box. They're a little kinked up, but the hair quality feels very nice. It's very satiny, and like I said, this color is pretty much dynamite. It's a beautiful brunette shade. So I'm going to go ahead and comb Juliette out a little bit with my trusty Jon Renau wide tooth comb, just so you can kind of see what she looks like once the hair relaxes a little bit with wear. Now this one does come with curls, and it is kind of pre-permed, so if you want this to straighten out, you can steam it straight, though you're probably better off not ordering this one if you're really, hell-bent on having a straight wig, because she's meant to be curled, and she looks beautiful curled. So now I have finished combing out Juliette, and you can see now that the curls are a little bit more relaxed, that this is a luscious wig. This is a beautiful wig. Ugh. And with this dress, I think I look pretty foxy. The fringe, or at least the front on Juliette, is quite long. And this is the shortest layer on this wig, by the way. It is 14 inches, so yeah, that's not short by any stretch of the imagination. It ends clear down by the girls. The crown is also 14 inches. The nape is 17. Now, because she's curled, even though this would indicate that the wig has, below 20 inches in overall length, I'm going to go ahead and measure her with my trusty tape measure so I can give you an indication of how she shortens up a little bit because she's curled. I'm going to measure from the top down, and I'm not going to pull the hair straight. I'm just going to try to get it all in there. Okay, so the overall length is about 19.5 inches when she's curled. And that is from the crown all the way down. Juliette weighs 6.9 ounces, which is very consistent with how much hair you're getting, as well as the fact that it has some human hair blended into it. That does add a little bit to the weight. So let me show you what Juliette looks like all the way around. As you can probably tell in the 360 view, Juliette gives you a lot of hair, just a ton of it. And on top of that, you're going to get some very advanced cap features. So now I'm going to go ahead and take Juliette off so I can show you just what she's made of. As you can see, she's got this double monofilament top. Double monofilament top traps heat. Polyurethane strip here in the front. You can put adhesive on that if you like to help keep the wig in place. It does not have a lace front, and that will make a lot of people very happy. I have some very vocal viewers who love monotops and hate lace fronts. Well, then this one will fit right in your wheelhouse. Very luscious construction here in the back. You have an extended nape You've got these very lovely adjusters. The elastic for the adjusters with the hook closures is actually entirely encased in material, so this will not be as stretchy as some wigs will be that are hand-tied, but it still gives me an adequate amount of coverage, and it seems to fit pretty comfortably. I wasn't getting a headache or anything wearing Juliette. So I'd say she's even a little looser feeling than some of the other Amore offerings in that regard. Completely felt here on the ear tabs, very nice and soft. So I think this is a beautiful medical grade wig with an extended felt nape, just very, very well done. Let me show you the back here. So sometimes I like to show off the knotting in the back. This is a very densely knotted wig. This is in the back where all those cluster knots are. As I've mentioned in other videos, on the top of the monofilament, the hair is individually sewn into place, whereas in the back, they're grouped together and then cluster knotted. So the knots are a little bit bigger. On Juliette, you can see they're very close together. So this wig has a lot of hair in it. A lot of hair in it, which is another reason why she's heavy and another reason why she's so hot. And then you've got this lovely color, and I'm hoping you can pick up on some of the tones that are in here. It's got this very lovely sort of butterscotch blonde that starts here at the top, and then as you get towards the bottom, you get more of it. But it never makes it look like it has blonde highlights. Instead, what it does is, because it's more mixed in than actually highlighted, it just makes it look like it's got a little tint of light brown in with that medium brown, and then towards the bottom, it just looks like more of a light brown. So very, very beautiful color. It's very natural looking. I'm gonna go ahead and put Juliette back on now. Don't have to fuss with her too much because that cap fits really well on me. I find this wig to be relatively comfortable, a little tight though. So if you have a true average cap circumference, this one will fit you like a charm. So this has been the luscious, long, and curled, heavily layered Juliette wig by the Amore Melange collection. The Melange collection is, again, made up of 70% synthetic, that is heat friendly, as well as a 30% human hair, so it's blended. And then this color is called Medium Brunette Flux, and it is a lovely color that gets gradually lighter towards the tips. Thanks for watching. My name again is Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com, and if you ever have a chance, please be sure to check out my web store. It's just www.cysterwigs.com, and until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.